Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're coming back to the Fade into Hue palette from Colourpop. But today we're going to be doing the yellow row. I'm also comparing it to the Honey palette that they already have. And I'll pop in those comparisons here. You can definitely see some similar shades between the palettes. Here I swatched some of them, but they definitely still are slightly different. You can kind of tell the Shine Bright and I think it's called Behave are pretty similar, but if you already have the yellow palette and you happen to get this, it'll still be slightly different. The only thing I don't love about this row is it was kind of a struggle to do a whole look using every color because they are quite similar shades. I go in with Abstract as my darker shade and it was just so not as dark as I was expecting it to be compared to Bonus Points, which in photos they don't look that similar, but when you put them together they do look pretty similar. I ended up going in with a bronzer shade and just kind of outlining the edges of the look just to help give it some more dimension. This Shine Bright shade is literally what it's called, Shines Bright. It's so pretty, I love it. The shade that's like the pressed glitter, Lucky Charm, honestly, like they could have left that out and given us like a more pastel, kind of like white creamy yellow. Though at the same time, I don't know how that would show up on darker skin tones. So I guess the glitter is a nice, addition. It's nothing I needed, but it is really cute. Here you can see me struggling hardcore with my eyeliner. I usually don't, but sometimes, I don't know, they look like they're not even related. Today I went in with some different eyelashes, and they're from Shein online, so the pack was probably like maybe $3 or $4, but these are half lashes and they're super cute and Bambi-like. I ended up adding 2 stacks because I'm dramatic, but they're so beautiful. I think these are going to be in my lineup of favorite eyelashes. Here you see me putting in my Got2b Schwarzkopf Spiking Styling Gel into my eyebrows. I've been trying to do my eyebrows a little different, where I set them in place, press them down, you know, where they would fluff up a little bit more naturally if I had more hair there. And then I go in with the Lift and Shape from NYX Cosmetics. I've been trying to master this brow pen because it does create a really pretty, fluffy, natural brow, because you're able to go in and give little strokes rather than a pencil having a bit of a thicker tip. It did take me a while. I ended up having to brush out my brows towards the end. You can see me doing it, and it really did turn out very natural and fluffy, nothing too dramatic. After I do my primer here, I still can't get away from any other primer. This is the best primer on the planet. You can't tell me otherwise. I've even got my mom obsessed with it. And then I'm going in with my L'Oreal Serum Foundation. I've been trying to like shop my stash more because I feel like I got so stuck on using the exact same foundation every time I did my makeup. And I have so many. They're gonna just rot in my drawer if I don't use them. And I love this one. And so I picked it up today. I think I'm gonna do a shop my stash video here soon because I enjoy watching them, and I need to use the makeup I already have instead of buying more makeup. Is there anything more satisfying than like watching someone like cover up their redness with foundation and concealer? Not that I'm like saying anyone needs foundation and concealer, but like it's so satisfying to watch. Even on my own face, I'm just like, whoa. And I didn't really try to like go with the whole yellow theme with everything because that is a banana powder. It just suits my skin tone better than a lot of powders. I tried to keep the rest of the face kind of natural. I went in and I contoured, of course, because I have to. And it kind of gave me like a little bit of a bronze glow. And then I went in with the Colourpop Desert Rose blush from the Garden Variety palette. That is like super like kind of a muted coral. And I also went in with my favorite blush from Colourpop from the Powerpuff Girl collection in Saving the World because it's my favorite one and it just, I can't not use it. And then I went in with the R.E.M Beauty Interstellar highlighter in Miss Mercury, and I actually finished off my eye look with it. It has a kind of a yellowy gold tone, like a yellowy champagne tone that I put in the inner corners on the brows of my eyebrows. Is that what you call them? I don't know. Brow bone? That's what they're called. Duh. Here I'm going in with the NYX Bloom Lip Liner crayon in 836. It's a purpley kind of fuchsia color. It's really just a base. You can put whatever lip liner you want under this. Heck, you could have done a more nudie brown lip, which is what I almost went with. But when I looked up inspiration, I saw this lip combo with a yellow look, which I'll pop up right here, and it looked so like enticing and summery I had to do it. So I went in with that lip liner, and then I went in with the Blur Luxe lipstick from Colourpop in Superbloom, which is like a really pretty neon pinky fuchsia color. And it was giving me life, but I was still deceased, and I wanted to be brought back to life with this neon color, so I ended up topping it with a further color from Maybelline New York, the SuperStay Matte Ink in the shade Heroine, which is like a neon electric orange, which more matched that color from the photo I was going for, and it's so cute. And like, here's a close-up of the ombre on the lip, and I'm dying. Like, it's so cute and summery. I'm dead. Like, look at that. So pretty. But that's the look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I think next I'm gonna do green. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Thanks. Bye.